You may know that some animals are capable of counting, but did you know at least one plant can do it too? News 10's Matt Brooks spoke to a local biologist today to find out just what plant can keep count.
You know it by the name Venus flytrap. This plant, of course, is a part-time carnivore snapping its leaves together when wandering flies get too close. What you might not know is that the plant can select when to close on its prey by counting the vibrations.
There are these little hairs inside, about 6 of them. Now, just brushing one of these hairs is not going to get the Venus flytrap to close. They have to be touched in a certain pattern a certain number of times to mimic basically an insect that's walking inside.
We tried to entice the plant to close a leaf, but it wasn't fooled. Scientists today still aren't sure just how the traps can tell the difference between object and food.
They don't have nervous systems like us. So I can poke you, immediately you'll have a reflex, but they don't have a nervous system. They don't have neurons that can fire. But it's not well understood how they do it, how they coordinate these cells to be able to act together to close.
You can find a plant called a sundew in the Wabash Valley that works similarly to the flytrap, only it slowly curls up a leaf to trap its prey.
These rely more on the stickiness to be able to make an insect stick and then suffocate, and then they can slowly curl up and digest them over the time. The strategy of the Venus flytrap is just a quick trap.
You can order the fly traps from various supply companies. You'll need to keep them in a humid, low nitrogen environment before you can start feeding them flies. Maybe you can discover the secret to their arithmetic. In Terre Haute, Matt Brooks, News 10.
The fly traps are second cousins to carnations and can produce a flower. You could say they're smart and beautiful plants.